Hi friends, let's continue our AI journey. I am Rohit Kochar and now we are diving into a crucial skill that will supercharge your AI interactions, prompt engineering. Now imagine you are in a busy kitchen in Mumbai crafting the perfect biryani. The ingredients you choose, the spices you blend, the way you layer the rice, each decision affects the final dish. Prompt engineering is just like that. It's the art of crafting the perfect recipe to get the best results from AI. Now let's start with the basics. A prompt is simply what you say AI to do. But not all prompts are created equal. Let me show you what I mean. Look into a live example and I will show you how the prompting is done and what are the different levels of prompting. So we will look at a current prompt where you run a small handicraft business in Jaipur. Now, instead of asking ChatGPT to just write a product description, let us try this. Now, you will see the depth in the response of ChatGPT where you can see that it has given the detail as per the prompt that you have constructed, which has included the words that you wanted and it has highlighted the cultural significance, for example, that you had asked for. Now, there is another powerful technique in giving ChatGPT, that is the persona. Let us also see that in action. Now, for that, let's imagine you are working on a marketing campaign for your chai business in Kolkata. Now, we can say, we can provide a prompt which would look like this. Let's see the result of this prompt. Now, as we have given it a persona of a marketing guru with 20 years of experience in promoting traditional Indian businesses, you can see that it has come up with these different sections based on the prompt that we have given to it. So you can see that there are various aspects to this whole output that it has given, starting from defining your brand story, to themes, to visual aesthetics, engaging with the educational content. All the different sections have been generated as per this particular prompt. Now, if you see that if the prompt that you have generated is or you have given hasn't generated the right results, what you can do is that you can do iterations on that and you can also provide some more instructions which are more specific. So let us look at if you wanted to do let's say a tagline for your business. How could you use prompt engineering to do that? Let's put the prompt here. Now we are rewriting the tagline to be more catchy. So it says spices unleashed, chai redefined. So that you can see that how it is kind of going with your instructions. Now let's say, for example, you want to give it some more constraints and you want to structure the whole thing a little more with specific boundaries. So for example, let's now create a slogan for the business. We'll give it a prompt. Let me put the prompt here in the window. So we have provided this prompt to ChatGPT and let's see now what it creates. So you can see that it is now creating a 30-second radio script for Diwali sale that we had asked it for. It has also included the slogan and it has kind of put it into a rhyme kind of a poem thing. Remember, prompt engineering is all about collaboration. You are not just asking questions. You are guiding the AI to produce the best output for your needs. Think of it as working with a very intelligent but little-minded assistant. Now, here's something crucial. Always review and fact-check the AI's output. While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, it can make mistakes or generate inaccurate information. Your expertise in your business and industry is irreplaceable. Let's put this into practice. Imagine you are launching a new line of organic spices. How would you craft a prompt to get ChatGPT to help you and name the product? Let's take a moment to think about it. Now, let's go back and see what kind of prompts we can provide for the ChatGPT to give us the creative names that we want for the chai business that we are talking about or the organic spice business we are talking about. Here is the prompt that we have given and asking it to generate 10 names for the organic Indian spice business. And you can see that we had given a constraint that it should be not more than 2 words. So it has created about 10 names. Now you can look at it, you can work with it and see if these names make sense to you, or you can continue to iterate and get some new names. So did you see how specific that is? That's the power of prompt engineering. As we wrap up, remember that mastering prompt engineering is a journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, refine, and try different approaches. The more you practice, the better you will become at harnessing the full potential of AI for your business. In our next module, we will explore how to customize ChatGPT even further, making it an integral part of your daily workflow. Until then, keep drafting those prompts. This is Rohit Kochar signing off. Keep exploring.